Are you excited? Because I am going for bug hunting and I'm taking you guys with me. So come on, let's hunt some bugs. Let's go on a bug safari. The only difference is this time you are going to meet some amazing insects instead of animals. There is no better way for you to learn about the world around you by getting out into it. As you get involved in the natural things, you will forget about the materialistic things that worry you. Digging deep into the nature's creations gives you more chance to develop connection with the nature. Besides, you'll discover and explore some really weird but beautiful creatures that you'll surely fall in love with. The more you let your inner child out, the less you will worry about the worldly stressors. You will learn to live in the moment and enjoy every single bit of it. The things you'll need for a bug hunt are: number 1, the place where you're going to hunt them. It can be a national park, your local park, a ground, your backyard, or any place where bugs are found. Number 2, you might need a magnifying glass to have a deeper look on the features of the insect. Number 3 is a sketchbook and pencil to write down your findings, and you might want to draw them. What are the benefits of this hunt? For children, it improves their learning and ability to socialize and discover the world around you, while for the adults, it has so many benefits. For example, it uplifts your self-esteem and your confidence, and it helps with issues like social anxiety, depression, and panic disorders. It can give a boost to the chemicals in your brain to make you happy. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.